Our first experiment is basic slime.
What is the science behind this?
Well, Yunji, slime is actually polymer. The word polymer means many parts. Polymers are very big molecules made up of many smaller molecules laid together in a
Next, we're going to show you how to make basic slime. You will need glue, borax, and if you want, because we don't have any food colouring.
First, you pour half a cup of glue into a bowl. Then you add a couple drops of food colouring if you want to. Finally, you add a teaspoon of borax and repeat a few times. Finally, you add a teaspoon of borax and repeat a few times. Sorry, Yunji had to go, but she picked up some flowers. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to eat your slime.
Like, share, and subscribe too.
Bye.
Bye
guys, thanks for watching.
Yunji had to go somewhere, so she picked us these to say that she's still alive.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
share, and subscribe. Bye.
It's so gummy.
That's pretty cool. I still need to microwave it again. I need to microwave mine again.
By the way, there was two
Mine's
marshmallows on the
burning.
table, so I put them in my bowl and I melted them, and now they're fine.
Put them in the microwave.